Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to get YouTube on your LG Webis TV in 2025. Whether you're binge watching your favorite videos or catching up on the latest trends, having YouTube on your big screen is a game changer. This process is quick and easy, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you don't miss a beat. First things first, make sure your LG TV is connected to the internet. That's essential for downloading apps. If you're all set, let's jump in. Start by grabbing your remote and heading to the home screen on your LG TV. You might already see the YouTube app icon there, especially if your TV is updated to the latest Webis software in 2025. If it's not, no worries, just navigate to the LG Content Store. You can find this by pressing the Home button on your remote and selecting the Apps, or LG Content Store, option from the menu. It's usually front and center for easy access. Once you're in the Content Store, use the search bar at the top to type in YouTube. Hit Enter, and the app should pop up as one of the top results. Go ahead and select it, then choose Install or Add to Home to download it to your TV. This might take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed, so grab a snack while you wait. After installation, open the YouTube app from your home screen. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Just use your remote to enter your email and password, or if you have a smart remote, you might be able to use voice commands for quicker setup. Once you're logged in, you're good to go. You can start streaming videos right away. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the app not appearing, try restarting your TV or checking for software updates in the settings menu. LG TVs in 2025 come with improved compatibility, so this should be smooth sailing. There you have it. YouTube on your LG TV in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.